Hello, this is Shaylin 3D Printing, and welcome to Print of the Week, episode 119, 3D Printed Easter Egg. Okay, so the prints are done, so I'm going to go ahead and grab it off the bed. There are three different parts to this. There is the bottom and the top of the egg, and there are some square pins that hold everything together. I do recommend on the egg parts that you put a brim on there, just because there's a small point of contact on the bed, making it very likely that they can warp without that. And then you'll just slide the pins into the slots. Make sure you don't slide them too far down, because if they're too far down, you won't get the proper grip. You can kind of adjust the amount of grip you get, though, by sliding them up and down. So then you can slide it all together and get them to hold together. And depending on how the pins were placed, it holds together surprisingly well. But it's also not super strong where like a little kid wouldn't be able to pull it apart. I do recommend putting this in something other than like PLA, doing like ABS, which is more resistant to the heat. I know it doesn't get crazily hot this time of year, but that is a risk. So, as always, the file for this print is going to be down in the description. If you like the video, go and leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.